Me. Nanny. Fun.
Listen up. Your meals need a major upgrade. Ditch the boring toast, we're leveling up with the Power Scramble. It's your secret cheat code for staying full and laser focused. High protein, zero time. Need pre-workout fuel? Done? Clean breakfast and lunch that hits? Boom, this is it. Cook smarter, not harder. Alright, here's the glow up your lunch needs. No cap, this is super simple. We're grabbing 4 eggs, 35 grams unsalted butter, 3 slices of ham, 'Wanna cut your ham into thicker strips without the slices flopping everywhere? Just stack 3 slices on top of each other first, it gives you a solid block to work with. Half teaspoon of sugar. And a few drops of apple cider vinegar. Time to make some magic. 4 eggs, full speed whisk. Ugh, who hasn't had a major shell fail? Stop stressing over the tiny pieces, I have a hack that saves the day. Use this tip next time you get unlucky. I'm not gonna bore you with whisk tips right now, we have a cheat code lunch to make. Go check out my easy and quick Chinese egg stir-fry video for the detailed steps. Get your pan to medium-high, then toss in the 35 grams of butter to melt. Once that 35 grams of butter is melted, pour half the whisked eggs directly into the pan. As the eggs start to set, drop in the ham strips. For real, try to lay them out in one direction, it's the cheat code for easy flipping later. Flip it. Seriously, if it breaks, who cares? That's the secret hack. The other half of the egg mix is coming in right now to fix the whole thing and finish the beast. See? That's the magic. The crack is totally fixed. Now that we've unlocked that secret, let's learn how to get a perfect egg roll. Slope the pan to 45 degrees, time for the pro move. Use your spatula to gently roll the egg up from the bottom, returning the pan to the start position at the same time. This is a new skill, but I promise, you'll totally nail it after a few tries. Heat off. Now, just keep them in the pan until they hit your perfect texture. You're in control. Okay, but check out the size of this beast. This omelette is massive, we definitely need the CEO of portion control up in here, as soon as possible. For the side, salad veggies, avocado, toasted sesame seeds, and black pepper. Simple, fresh, ready. Time for the ultimate pack lunch hack. Grab 2 slices of bread, smear on some butter, hit it with black pepper, and pile on the salad veggies and cherry tomatoes. 1 cook, 2 serves, done, and that's the win. We just took one recipe and leveled up both breakfast and lunch. Seriously, this Power Scramble is the ultimate cheat code for staying full and laser focused. Did the half-pour hack work for you? Drop a comment if you nailed the roll. Now, go pack your lunch, hit subscribe for more food hacks, and let's keep cooking smarter, not harder.